Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create the new Gemini Trend using Gemini AI and Filmora. So the Gemini editing trend is here and it's blowing up. Here I'm going to show you step by step how you can use prompts and Filmora's new update to create the Gemini style edits that are going viral right now. So what you need to do is just two apps, Gemini and also Filmora. If you don't have the apps, you can download it first on Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app is downloaded, you can just open Gemini first to generate the image. So go to the nano banana feature, click on this create image options, and then write this prompt. So here is the prompt that I use. So create a 1/7 scale commercial figures of the character in the picture. So you need to upload the pictures, and the figurine is placed on a computer desk with R-click base with no text, and the content on the computer screen is the ZBrush modeling process of the figurine. And there's also a Bandai style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. Now what you need to do is just upload the image. You can hit on the plus button, go to the gallery, and here find the image. For example, I'm going to use this one. In here you can just tap on done, and once the photo is uploaded, you can hit on the submit button or send to generate the 3D figurine image. You can just wait. Okay, so now once the picture is generated, you can just download it. You can hit on the picture and hit on this drop down button, and it will be downloaded and saved to your device. And now you can edit the image on Filmora. So open the Filmora apps in here. Then you can just head into the templates menu, hit on templates, and find the nano banana category. So swipe on this category and you'll find the nano banana options, and there will be lots of video templates. As you guys can see, you can turn selfie into collectibles, you can turn the image into a video just like this. For example, this one in here, click it to preview the result. Okay, there's also one. So you can just use the template and then upload the image that you just generate on Google Gemini, and you'll get the video versions of the AI 3D figurine. So guys, that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.